Hello and welcome to CIS522, the 2023 version. I'm extremely happy that you're with us, so welcome. I'm happy that you're with us, and I think this is going to be a really interesting year. We have lots of improvements to the course that we are rolling out right at the moment. Also, you're taking CIS522 at an incredibly interesting time. I think there is no better year to learn about deep learning than this year, and deep learning will affect all of us. Why is it going to be the year of the large language models? Well, here's, for example, ChatGPT. Explain to the students of my deep learning class why emerging large language models and other generative models will make matter in the marketplace. And it answers that large language models will become important because they produce high quality text and so on and so forth. Anyone, anywhere, whoever asked to interact with ChatGPT for a while is basically blown away by it. There's going to be so many companies that will be started based on technology like that. Of course, it also makes images. A robot student riding a horse wearing the colors of University of Pennsylvania gets it pretty well. Look at this person on the right-hand side. I'm really quite impressed. But in any case, a graphics artist probably wouldn't have gotten it much better. And of course, I then had to ask it to be more like me with blue hair and aluminum skin, and it does a pretty good job at producing such like really extra constraints for that. All of it, I described to it in text. Incredibly useful. In fact, when you watch this video, I have edited in the program called Descript, which is a deep learning-based system. You upload a video, it automatically recognizes all the words, and you can edit it simply by selecting the text and then cutting the text. And as you cut the text, it automatically rewrites the video so that the text just never happened. It also writes great code, writes a simple neural network in PyTorch that can distinguish you Penn students from NYU students. It's quite interesting. It sees a major ethical problem at solving that problem, which implies that our large language models aren't very good at those ethical questions yet. But then it writes a perfectly fine code. And in fact, you can get it to write really, really efficient code. What does that mean for our lives as engineers? Like, you can say all of us in the future will mostly operate like project managers. We define the high-level logic, we define the goals, we define the business objectives, we help debug the overall thing. But the details can now be solved by basically AI assistants. The low-level skills only matter if you're the person to scale them up. Now, a lot of people in the next few years will probably work for startup companies, big companies, basically doing those things where you're like, okay, we write better neural networks for it. But for almost anyone in this society, it becomes important how to interact with those systems. Deep learning will be key to many of the new developments happening within the next decade. It's wonderful that you're all here and you can use it, which will make you more effective because all kinds of problems you can now solve easily. I'm entirely incompetent at art, but I can produce a perfectly good student with blue hair riding on a horse wearing the colors of UPenn that I would never have been able to do before. That's the great thing. It will make you more effective, but at the same time, it will compete with you. All these low-level jobs that people who had computer skills had in the past, a lot of them will go away because we can now automate it. We basically just describe what problem we want to solve. So the world is changing incredibly rapidly. And I think with us being interested in deep learning, we're right at that place where this is happening. Now, what does that mean for our course? We want you to learn to use all those techniques. So homeworks will be done in groups of at most 2 humans. You must list your other collaborator identified by their pen key. You cannot collaborate with other students beyond that dyad. So you cannot collaborate with other students, other small groups, exchange ideas behind. If we find any evidence of that happening, we will view this as a violation of the ethics standards of this course. but we encourage you to use any tool for anything in the course. Read the documents, look things up, ask a robot, ask ChatGPT to do all your coding. Keep in mind that it will lie and pretend that it solved your problem well, but also remember to attribute all your sources in the submissions. So like if you get ChatGPT to do an award-winning submission for a homework, that's cool, that's wonderful. I encourage you to do so. But please just tell us about it. We want to learn. We are learning how this world is changing so quickly. We also encourage you to share how you use the tools productively with your classmates. Remember that helpfulness is one of the great driving aspects. Now, grading, I know a lot of you are totally interested in grading. 10% will be about participations. The TAs mark it as no participation, some great participation. Ask good questions, the TAs will mark it. Go beyond the material. The interesting things often are not in our materials because the world is changing so fast. We expect you in the groups, in the pods, to go beyond the materials. Have high-level understanding, an understanding that, again, goes beyond the superficial level. And of course, that means show up. Like as 40% now is driven by what TAs say about your participation every time. If you're not there, well, that's nothing. Now, we will have some free absences, but beyond that, you will be losing score. 20% of the grade otherwise will be homework. Performance will be auto-graded. 20% will be helpfulness, which is graded by the other students in your pod, and 20% is the project graded by the TAs. Now, to make clear what the result of that is, we will curve towards an A-, both within pods and across pods. That means if your scores look like they're very good, what do you know? You have 90% of everything, but on average, the others have 95%. It means you'll get a B. So everything is curved. And if you're an outlier, it just means that you will get very bad grades at that. But on average, this is going to be an A-. The group is big enough that the average should meaningfully average out. Now, why this course matters so much, just to go back to that. If I was your age, I would probably drop out of UPenn to do generative text startup. Now, that might be my own preferences. I also didn't just say that, but it's an exciting set of opportunities. The field is changing incredibly rapidly. Most ideas stay constant, but we're overhauling a good part of the course. Like a lot is changing here, and it's changing so fast that models from a couple of months ago are outmoded by now. So we will be overhauling a good part of the course. Jordan is driving an initiative to overhaul the homework, and we are just completely overhauled the way we grade here. The focus of this grading scheme is really about making learning be the goal of everything. What you will learn will stay relevant even as the field moves. So we are giving you the basics of deep learning. That will always probably be relevant, but a lot of the details of which methods are state of the art will change extremely fast. It will probably have changed by the time the course is over. So that's why it's key for you to go beyond what we teach directly. You need to understand this whole field and how it's operating in all the pieces. And with that, let me just say again, it's wonderful that you're here. This will be a fun time, and I look forward to working with you. Oh, and one more thing. Tell us how we can do better for this course. Thank you.